Hey everyone, today I'm gonna show you how to add widget to home screen on Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 7. So simply, this is my home screen and just add widget. Long press, then I get widget option. Press on and showing you to more option. Select anyone that you wanna add. So I can select clock. Press on add. Okay, or if you want to add more, long press on widget, press on add, or you can easily customize and select anything, easily add.